We were on our way to Mysore and we found this small bakery called Sapa Bakery. Actually, I have seen lot of Instagram reels on the Sapa Bakery and I have made it in my mind that this time we will be visiting the small cafe. This cafe has got an interesting story behind it. This cafe is started by a German lady and her name is Dina. She was a traveler. She was traveling throughout India in the year of 2015. She was working in a French bakery in Goa and there she was introduced to the art of sourdough baking. Actually, that ignited her passion for baking there. She traveled throughout India and she started this bakery called Sapa in Mysore. The moment you step inside, you feel it, the warm and a cozy and so inviting cafe. The first thing you notice, the cozy and the vintage cafe vibes, feels like you have walked into a charming French bakery. We ordered some donuts and a cheese sandwich. The donut was extremely good. The flavor was white chocolate and passion fruit. The passion fruit was little strong. That flavor came out little strong for us, but the blend was very nice. The next thing we ordered was cheese sandwich. The bread of the sandwich was yum. That's because the sourdough here is fermented naturally, and that's the secret to the tasty bread here. And the finger cut French fries which came with the sourdough sandwich was also too yum. I will come back for that French fries again for sure. I will be craving for it now. We loved this cafe a lot and the ambience was too good. We had a nice time here. But one thing which I felt was the cost was little too much. A single donut costed around 200 to 240, and the sandwich costed us around 400. So 2 donuts and 1 sandwich came around like 900 rupees, which I felt was little too much. But otherwise, the visit was totally worth. Please enjoy the rest of the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.